Alright, so I wanted to do a quick add-on video for my Greenworks 80 volt backpack leaf blower review. We already tested it in very wet leaves. Now I wanted to test it in snow-covered, semi-frozen leaves. So, oh my goodness, you're hosting Thanksgiving and you didn't have time to clean up your leaves yet, and now it snowed. Are you still going to be able to clean them up? Alright, so if you haven't seen my actual review video on the Greenworks 80 volt backpack leaf blower, definitely check that video out. What's really amazing to me is I previously owned a 4-stroke 75cc backpack leaf blower, and that thing was pretty expensive. And this Greenworks 80 volt has the same power for roughly half the price. Now, if you're going to get 2 batteries so you can battery swap going continuously, you're not looking at half the price, you're probably looking 3/4, but still, you're coming in cheaper with the extra battery and you're not sacrificing any power here. So I'll drop an Amazon link below, definitely click through that to check it out, and check out some of my other videos on the Greenworks 80 volt tools. They are quite impressive. Oh, and if you liked the video and want more crazy kind of extreme review videos, let me know by liking and subscribing, and drop a comment below. Thanks.